beautiful night for a night ride. Lots of traffic. Take the slow ride home. Put down the helmet. Gonna collect some more bugs. Definitely. I used to ride all the time. Always at night. Always in the day. Basically rode all the time. But you gotta keep your eye out for everyone else not watching out for you. But it's really quite nice to ride when the sun's not beating down on you. This is still ticking a little bit. Ticking is not the right word, but it'll clear up, I think. If not, I gotta go in and clean some carb jets. I don't know, you guys think it's more safe at night or during the day? I like riding either time. Boom, 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 boom. It's easier to see during the day. Yeah, you can hear that jumping in and out a little bit. That is our problem. Didn't seem to do it much before, but now it is. At this lower speed. In the great city, town of Columbia, down by the river. We like riding out Conestoga area. Conestoga? Out by the... Talking to my camera. Huh? Just because. Talking to the peeps. Oh, these yellows. That's the second one we hit. Yeah, I should have cleaned my visor. And I wouldn't have bugs in my eyes. Sure, there's a car meetup somewhere. Probably down here at the Sheets. Gas is cheap over here. Not bad. $3.09. to see the bumps in the road at night, so you just have to be prepared, ready for anything that you might hit as you're going. Yeah, 309 at the marathon too. Not bad. Not non-ethanol, so I'm not gonna try to get gas there, but you know, good for your car, your daily. As I said in the last video. Oh, look at this guy, not even paying attention. There's another bike. Do not know what is happening. This guy gonna be, what is he doing? And we're off. Yeah, just have to be a little more cautious. It is quite different riding at night. But you can see headlights, so as long as cars have them on, you should see them. There's a bike on the side of the road going the opposite way. Give him some space. No, that's about it for tonight. See you guys on the next one.